What did we just do?
Ezra's first bath.
Hey,
How was it? She wasn't too crazy about it, let's be honest, but yeah, she's in her
I think she likes looking like a duck. Hey, we're going to teach you an important life lesson. If it looks like a duck and it quacks like a duck,
what was that?
That was poop. No, Bandit, don't. She needs another bath now. Nice. Well, Dad?
You didn't get any on me. It's amazing. Alright, well, come on. Go get some wipes.
Wait, shouldn't we just...